The chef.
This is Zomi traditional wisdom. This is Zomi traditional.
I am Vumswan Naulak, Chairman of Zomi Council. Zomi Council is a conglomeration of 8 tribes in Manipur. We came from Lamka this morning to meet Honorable CM regarding the ongoing developments in Sisipur district and to build mutual confidence. We were having a very healthy and warm interaction, and after the discussions we partook a delicious lunch, and we are very grateful that the state government is reaching out so that we could work together for the development of our people and for future peace.
I'm Mary Jones, Secretary, Information and Publicity, Zomi Council, Bidilakani, Hozikta, Tahi Ahum, Adubi, Loiganda, Nasi, Imphal, Lakase, is very Seram Nungaide. We Manipur Valley is the gay relation, they say. Adum Hazanata Kasik Pami and Adum Kakat, Justice, Haisra, Quina, Waba, Pingaba. Tahi Hum Malunda, the king of the scene say, reconcile Natrega, looking back to our say culture, Hyderabad, the king Bada, Hagadi, Hydase, Wapam, say, Kambi.
I wish, and the Zomi Council wish that peace should return to Manipur state, and people should work together, people should interact, and people should look forward towards progress of the people, progress of the state. Thank you.